Hello from Rhodes. I am about to check in Leonardo Kolymbia Resort. It is 5-star hotel, small hotel near to the beach. So let's check in. Welcome to Leonardo Kolymbia Hotel. It's 5-star hotel and I am so impressed. I must admit that. Yeah, I'm so impressed with this room. Starting here, we have a bathroom. Lots of nice amenities here. Toilet and shower. We have some wardrobes here. Hangers. Safe. They do laundry if you need. It's actually 2 bedrooms here. So it's actually sofa, but it's make 2 bed. And here is a main room. Another small sofa. It's actually for 4 people, so up to 4 adults can stay here. TV. And another bathroom. Again. Nice. And in this we have a bath. Oh, it's actually like a jacuzzi. Wow. It's really clean. It's absolutely clean, yeah. I will let you know the price at the end of this video. It's all inclusive. But I'm saying that I'm really impressed. I did not finish actually. We got a fruit plate and a bottle of wine here. It's complimentary. Nice touch. Really nice touch. And a view. We have garden view, which is absolutely fine with us. Can you see this sunset? Wow. And here in the bottom you actually can book a room with a pool. When I was actually booking this room, I really wanted this room, but there was no availability. Yeah, that's it. I'm happy, Bunny. I'm so happy, really. Let's check the rest. They do have pool table here. One game is €2. Nice space here. And let's continue to see a pool. So here is a pool and also kids pool. Behind the pool there is a bar and restaurant and will open later on. Tennis court. And volleyball court. It's actually a small hotel. They have 114 rooms, I think. But really nice. They definitely take care of this hotel. They kids club. I'm actually really impressed. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm going to show you how to get to the beach. I actually think because the hotel is small, it's not that big, it's not massive resort. It's well maintained, everybody is so super nice, and everything is actually working perfectly. As I mentioned, at like price really surprised you when I tell you at the end. And compared to other 5-star hotel or even 4-star hotel here in Rhodes, this was actually the best option, and I'm so glad I chose this. And also location is pretty nice. Lots of bars around, restaurants, shops, everything in walking distance. Plus you can take a bus or taxi and get to Rhodes town or some other spots in Ireland, so it's kinda like in the middle. So actually this is walk to the beach. It's like 3 minutes or maybe even less from hotel, and it's fine. I'm almost here. sandy beach, which is perfect for me. I love it. Bye bye! So I'm leaving Leonardo Kolymbia Resort, and actually it was amazing experience. Everything was perfect. One big issue, they don't have enough sunbeds in the beach, so there is like approximately 20 sunbeds, which is not enough for the hotel, but actually there was no many people. Most people stay by the pool. So that's it. This was just this. Otherwise, it was really nice experience. I really like. It's not big resort. It's actually small, as like a family orientated, and everything was perfect. Price wise, I pay 200 euros for 3 adults per night, all inclusive. I think price is absolutely amazing. It's June. It's like kind of starting season now. Very hot weather. We had entertainment. We had everything included. Amazing. So if you want to stay here, definitely recommend that. And actually Kolymbia, it's good for families, so it's like not that far from airport. It's 45 minutes by car, and it's lots of entertainment and lots of stuff going on here for kids. It's not big, it's not like a party town or something, but definitely nice to visit. That's it for now. Take care, stay safe, and see you later with another adventure. Bye bye!